problem? Jealousy. Why does she have it? I don't have it. She doesn't deserve it.
Na-discover mo? Anong na-discover mo? Ano daw? Hello guys, scan your ID na. Scan your ID. Ah, lamig. Hello. Done na po ang exam namin. How was the exam?
Okay naman. It's just, meron ng mga ibang questions na unsure ka lang sa answers. Especially sa essay part. Naman lang. Pero at least, okay na. Yung boss level na yung kailangan i-worry ngayon. Good luck na lang sa Gen Psych.
Bukas po yung major namin. Yeah.
Yes.
Then yung ano nga yung coverage from first to last?
From first to last chapter. Mama. So long.
Good luck to us, bro.
We'll do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
Doon ka na rin ask them.
Tatanti naman ka lang siya. Hi po! How was the exam po? Musta po ang exam for you?
Hindi siya nice. Hindi siya nice. Sabi mo, musta pa ang exam?
Musta yung exam? Pero nag-tossing.
I'm wearing black.
Hala bro! Hello bro!
Bagaling yung headband mo.
Talaga na si
I'm
Ali.
wearing black because
Yeah.
I'm already mourning my grades.
One last shoes. Gen Psych.
Yeah, good
Wala
luck
na kami sa atin
Gen
ngayon.
Psych. Hoy, huwag kang ganyan. Bye-bye.
Pagsak ako bukas. Eh, di sa kalugan. Nakakita sa experiment sa second years na.
Ay, ikaw. Hello po.
Uri na kami. We are dying.
Why?
Reviewing Psych.
Kay last day na exam.
Look at this. Dami.
Tama to?
May mga own world man kayo.
Escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses evocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta. Escucha.
Tingin ka lang.
Bakit ngayon?
Na-late.
What can you say about today's happenings? What can you say about today's happenings?
No, they're not talking to you. She's not pala. Why there? Yeah.
What can you say about today's happenings?
Sana multiple choice lang.
Multiple choice talaga.
Okay na, satisfied.
Para board exam.
Be, kapag di ka nag-ship ako, ditong evidence. Oy, that's bad! Censored.
Can you say about today's happenings?
Magkapit bahay lang tayo. Guys, kapag ABC, 1 tak, 2 tak. Nanas, Dito na ang bigob namin na maingay. Oh.
Welcome to my guys.
Shy type siya, be.
I can look for the six.
This is my source. After this, I will treat her better. I know I can treat you better.
Paperback niya.
Let me see. Let the viewers see.
Sponsored by Mang Tina.
Ang tinapay, baka naman ito ang spinal cord. Grabe talaga.
Kanina yan.
Grabe naman kay Hillary.
Sa'yo yan. Bakit may...
This is us after the exam. Finally, wala na kami exam. How was the exam? Hulaan ba nila if okay or not? So guys, pass. So natin pag-usapan. Dapat nang kalimutan. Let's move on.
Sino-sino pa magsama?
Tarot. Sakay kayo guys. So, mag-go kami. Uy, wait lang po. So, magpunta tayo saan? For you and for me. Yeah. Anong gagawin natin? Kasi tatago ka na yung camera kay bawal doon. Ano? Okay. Manood pa kami.
Ay, kamera pala dapat mabait ako.
Oo, be.
Ulit.
Ano pong gagawin natin dito, ma'am?
Manonood tayo ng sine.
Okay. Thank you for answering that wonderful question. Yeah. So, bye-bye guys. We'll be back later kasi po, bawal po ang camera sa cinema. Bye-bye.
Walis ka doon.
Alec, i-rate mo ang movie.
Ha?
I-rate mo.
Four seagulls.
Oh.